You don't listen, do you? I don't think you ever really hear me. You just ask the same questions every week. How's your job? Are you having any negative thoughts? All I have are negative thoughts. But you don't listen anyway.
Great looking audience tonight.
Thanks, Murray.
You see all this, the lights, the show, the audience, all that stuff. I'd give it all up in a heartbeat to have a kid like you.
Guys, they don't feel comfortable around you, Arthur, because people think you're weird, okay? And I can't have that around me.
What kind of coward would do something that cold?
Please help me welcome Arthur Fleck, y'all. Arthur Fleck.
Malnourished with multiple bruises across his body and severe trauma to his head.
Murray, one small thing. Yes. When you bring me out, can you introduce me as Joker?
Have you seen what it's like out there, Murray? Nobody's civil anymore!
How about another joke, Murray?
No, I think you've had enough of your jokes.
What do you get?
I don't think so.
When you cross
I think
a
we're
mentally
done
ill
with you.
loner
That's
with a
it.
society that abandons him and treats him like trash!
Call the police,
I'll
Gene.
tell you what you get!
Call the police.
Get what you fucking deserve!